Hi, my name is Rob Collier from We Buy Homes. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 key reasons you would want to work with us or sell your property to us. The first one is a very simple and easy process. You get in touch with us, we have a chat on the phone about your property and what you're trying to achieve and by when. We then come and take a look at your property, come back to you within 48 hours, and you can decide whether you want to accept or reject that offer. No skin off our nose. The second thing is there's no open homes. You don't need to have any open homes. You don't need to clean, don't need to tidy. There is also no fees, and there's flexibility with settlement. And flexibility with settlement is really key, because when you've got flexibility with settlement, you can then line up the purchase of your next property, for example, and you don't have to deal with the stress of trying to sell one property and buy another one at the same time. So that flexibility of settlement means that you can sell quickly to us within 7 days, and you can also sell slowly to us, so you can take up to 12 months to find your next property before you settle on your current one. Okay, so very simple and easy to work with We Buy Homes. If you'd like to learn more, give us a call on 0800 PAYOUT. That's 0800 PAYOUT.